This video is purely for information purpose, and by comparison of the two trains, there is no intention to degrade or show superior to any train specifically. So please enjoy and choose whichever train is comfortable to your liking and to your journey type. Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing fine. Today we are going to do a very interesting journey in yet again Maharashtra Sampark Kranti Express. This is very fast train, and a different thing about this journey is that I'll be buying food. I'll be showing what is the expense if in case you buy everything from train itself, how it is in comparison to Rajdhani Express where you pay catering charges. So let's explore the fastest train in sleeper category of India with catering and everything. So let's begin our journey. So if in case you are new to Mumbai, you can't get food from anywhere, or if you are in a hurry, and if you are boarding the train from Bandra Terminus, this video is sure gonna complete all your doubts, all your questions. If in case you still have, comment section is always there, so make sure to ask it through the comment section. So let's get inside the train. My seat is side upper. If you're traveling alone and in sleeper class in any train, I would recommend taking upper berth. But if in case you're traveling with family, or if you want to see anything outside specifically, then you can choose lower berth seat also. There are 3 charging points on this side, and there is this emergency window also, which doesn't have any rod, and on this side it is 1 charging point. And now the train is about to start the journey, so let's begin. So the train has departed on time, no chain pulling, nothing, no drama, and now it will stop at Borivali. So the train is at Borivali outer, and you will be amazed by the amount of people that will be boarding the train. It will be completely full. Means hardly few seats would be there empty. I don't even think few seats would also be there. So the train is departing from Borivali with a delay of 10 minutes or so, which generally happens with this train, but I would always recommend be on time for your train. You never know what can happen. If it comes on time, it will depart on time. Now I'll show you some very interesting scenes which I have captured, and if in case you want more variety of trains or something like that, I have a dedicated train channel also, which you can check it out later on. The link is mentioned in the description. The channel name is AZ Travel World. In past, when I had travelled, the train had stopped at Surat railway station, but this time it is skipping Surat railway station at a good speed. Let me tell you, from September 2022, this particular station and city had been provided with the halt for this train, because this is a very important city, and whenever you are booking tickets, you can always take benefit for boarding this train from this particular station also. So let me get to my seat, and now I'll go ahead and show you a comparative analysis about the food, and let's begin with the most important theme or the topic of this particular video. So let me first explain you about the snacks thing. The snacks basically is like 2 snack packet which is of 5 rupees, and then there is a juice of 10 rupees, and there is a stone cake of 15 rupees. Yeah, and a single kachori. So that precisely comes down to around like 14 rupees, because the packed item is like the same MRP. You can get it from Bandra Terminus if in case you're boarding this train, or even from Borivali. show you the food. This is the salad, this is 3 chapati, this is dal, this is rice. He said jeera rice, but it is normal rice. And this is paneer ki sabzi or the curry. This is curd, and this is sown cake. This is pickle, spoon, and 1 tissue paper. So the food is almost identical. The only difference is you get sown cake in this, and in Rajdhani you will get an ice cream. And this salad you would not get in Rajdhani, but you will get it in Sampark Kranti IRCTC food. So that's the only difference. So I just come to wash my hand and I realized that the train had crossed the Narmada River Bridge, and this particular station, that is Bharuch Junction, is this city is also located on the banks of Narmada River. It isn't a daylight, so I could show the Narmada River Bridge, but you can check on my channel. I have covered Coimbatore Hisar AC Express, in which I have shown Narmada River Bridge in twilight. Now the food was good enough in taste, but the charging was more. So everyone has slept. It's 12 over 10, and I'm also going to sleep. I'm not going to wait for Vadodara. The reason is because I think some people around me are going to get down at Kota. So I'll try to get up and show you Kota. Nevertheless, in my previous journey, I have shown both the stations, so you can even watch what the punctuality was there, and I'll tell you what is the punctuality of this trip also. So stay tuned. Till then, goodbye. Let's meet in Kota. So train reached here sharp on time, that is Kota Junction. It's a very early morning. I would probably take a nap after departure from here, because it's too soon to be waking up. Nevertheless, I bought the water bottle, 15 rupees, Kota Junction, so that's not a problem. I don't know why towards the end of the night they were selling the bottle at 20 rupees. So let's see when it departs from here, and then we will take a short nap, and then I'll see how we reach Hazrat Nizamuddin. I'll also buy the breakfast, so we will find out how the breakfast is and give you the comparative analysis about that also. 4:40 and a train has started from Kota Junction, so there is no delay whatsoever. At Vadodara there was delay, and I think it reached Vadodara at 11:30 or so. Now what I'll do is I'll take a short nap, and then we will see in the morning about breakfast and how the remaining few hours of this particular train is. What a marvelous morning it is. The train is doing a very fantastic, and I'm going to start my day with the milk and a little bit of biscuit. This is something like an extra spice. You can say the milk depends how much you buy it. It generally cost 25 or 30, and whatever you purchase the same amount. Now the other very important thing is like when the breakfast will be coming, I'll try to buy the breakfast. People are like awake from much before 5, like when the quota was about to arrive. I'm not really sure why they are not even interested in something. I don't know. But nevertheless, I had a very short nap of like 30 minutes or so. And now I'll just start my day with this snacks, and then we'll enjoy some very fast action outside and have a wonderful day. When they will bring the omelette, I'll definitely buy it, and I'll tell you the price and also what is the final comparison between the breakfast expense in Maharashtra Sampark Kranti and when you take the catering in Maharashtra Express. So when I travelled previously also, they did chain pulling people, and they did it just before Mathura, and this time also we are standing because of chain pulling. So let's see now what happens next, because after that the train was left waiting at Mathura for a very long time. So we'll see now what happens. 60 rupees is the breakfast which I've just bought. It's too hot, and not the breakfast but the climate. So the thing is, it should be actually 50 rupees, but they have given in 60 rupees. So let me see how it is, and I'll give you the review, and then I'll give you the comparison also, like how much it costs in comparison to Rajdhani and So let me tell you, everything is being charged too much. I mean, it's like way beyond my imagination that such a high priority train and Western Railway train charging so much, like 50 rupees omelette, 60 rupees, juices or cold drinks being charged at 5-10 rupees extra, water bottle being charged at 5 rupees extra. I'm not really sure what really happened from last night that they started charging extra. Maybe they found like people are buying it without any ifs and buts. If in case you feel like you do not want to spend extra, make sure to buy your stuff well before in hand, whatever you feel like you would be consuming in the train. That way you would be safe also, save money also. The other thing is now the main important part, that is the comparative analysis with the Rajdhani Express. The Rajdhani Express would have provided you 2 tea, 1 juice, bread omelette, and with the same tomato sachet and butter. So if you compare the price over there, it's 20 rupees for 2 tea, 10 rupees juice, and 50 rupees omelette. So 50 plus 10 plus 20, 80 rupees in Rajdhani Express. In Maharashtra Sampark Kranti, it's 60 plus 20 for 2 tea, and if you buy juice it will not be 10, it will be either 15 or 20. So let's take 20 itself, so it will become 100. So overpriced charge, 100 rupees you would be spending for similar item over here. Nevertheless, the total expense of the entire journey would be Mumbai Rajdhani Express charges 400 rupees for catering service, which includes everything. Here, yesterday evening snacks, water bottle, everything 70 rupees plus 150 rupees your dinner, and in the morning if you take the similar kind of breakfast it will be 100 rupees almost. So that makes it 320 around. So you still save 80 rupees. But mind you, if you travel in sleeper class, you will be buying extra bottle of water, especially if you are traveling in summer. That can be an additional. This is purely for information purpose. Rajdhani has its own priority, own importance. While I am speaking to you, it's already well beyond the time that it has reached New Delhi. So trust me, that train is really very superb. But if you want to save money and if you are fine reaching by 10, 10:30 or even 11 to Delhi, then this train is really very good. If you like this comparison, please make sure to hit the like button. If in case you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, please use the comment section. In a very short while we will reach Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station and we will end our vlog also over there and our journey over there. So stay tuned for just few next moments. So we reached 10 minutes before time. So against what I had experienced previously, this time our train reached 10 minutes before. That was really very interesting. The train did really a very fantastic run, no doubt about it. Only the run was not good till Vadodara, or maybe I should say till Surat. And then after that everything was really as good as it could be. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Take care, be safe. Any questions, any feedback, use the comment section. See you in the next vlog.